Ang Department of Justice masusing inaaral itong extradition request ng United States kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Alaman natin ang buong detalye sa pag-uulat ni Bobo Grant Hilario.
Babajay ay masusing inaaral ngayon ng Department of Justice ang hiling na extradition ng Estados Unidos para kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Sa pulong balita ng Kagurana, ibinagi ni Chief State Counsel Dennis Arbinchan na sinusuri na ng opisina na itong hiling ng dayuhang bansa. Kahapon kasi ay kinumpirma mismo ng opisyal ang pagkakatanggap ng Department of Justice sa formal na extradition request ng Amerika sa naturang pastor. Layon niya mapag-aralan at masusing maigi ang pagiging na ayon ng kahilingan sa kasalukuyang Philippine-United States Extradition Treaty at sinusunod na Philippine Extradition Law. Sa ilalim din ng batas at tratado, ayon sa opisyal ay dapat pang matiyak na ang hinihiling na ma-extradite na individual ay ang siyang nasa kustodiya at pangangalaga ng bansang Pilipinas. Ating pakinggan si Chief State Counsel Dennis Arbinchan.
Under the Philippine extradition law and the extradition treaty with the United States, we have to ensure the presence of several key elements. Number one is the identity of the person or persons to be extradited. We have to confirm that the Apollo Kibuloy they are looking for is the one na nandito nga sa atin. And then we have to also validate and confirm the principle of dual criminality, in which the offense that the United States government is seeking Mr. Kibuloy and the other respondents for have the same underlying act here in the Philippines. So it doesn't have to carry the same nomenclature under our penal system and that of theirs, but so long as the act involved is the same, then it is considered an extraditable offense.
Bukod pa dito, kinakailangan anayaya masiguro at maberipika ang parusang kaharapin ni Pastor Kibuloy sakaling siya'y mahatulang guilty sa Amerika. Ibinahagi ni Chief State Counsel Chan na dapat matiyak na hindi maharap ang pastor sa capital punishment ng dayuhang bansa. Kung saan sa pagsusuring isinasagawa ay sasiguraduhin na hindi mapapatawan ng parusang bitay o death penalty si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Muli natin pakinggan si Chief State Counsel Dennis Arbinchan.
Thirdly, we have to also ensure and validate that the imprisonment that these respondents will face if and when convicted in the United States is at least 1 year and up. We also would have to check na hindi pa prescribed yung offense under the US legal system. And lastly, we have to also make sure that that capital punishment or death penalty will not be imposed should they be found guilty for the offenses that they are being prosecuted or sought for.
Si Pastor Kibuloy ay kasalukuyang nakakulong sa Pasig City Jail kaugnay sa kasong qualified human trafficking, child abuse at sexual abuse. Habang kinakarap naman niya ang kasong sex trafficking at sex trafficking ng mga menor de edad sa Estados Unidos. Nag-uulat live, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 radio network in the country. Your trusted source of news and information, Basta Radio, Bombo!